What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, BMW M240i, the G42s have become extremely popular. The car behind me has the full Valvetronic exhaust with some rather spectacular carbon fiber tips, and it has the active auto work GESi downpipe. So this downpipe, you're not gonna have a check engine light, and we know we get a lot of questions about people who want the best sound experience but no check engine light. In the video, we're gonna show you all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper and do some interior clips as well. So you guys know exactly what your M240i is going to sound like with this exhaust configuration. Active auto work makes some really badass parts, and combined with the Valvetronic system, you get huge flexibility. The car really sounds aggressive, has a nice motorsport sound, and then with the valves closed, of course, per Valvetronic theme, it's really nice and quiet. So let's get to the sound. Excited to show you guys this one. Active auto work and Valvetronic come together. You know the outcome's always going to be good. Alright people, inside the M240i, this car with this downpipe, I'm very impressed because you get almost like a free flow type experience. Really has a nice aggressive sound. Like it sounds like the car is catless, which is really awesome. But it's not, you know, fully emissions compliant. Really, this is a nice downpipe. But combined with this system, really impressive sound. That's with the valves open. Of course, put yourself back in comfort mode. Close the valves, no drone, no unwanted frequencies. This is the thing, guys. We know that a lot of people, they do muffler deletes. The cars have a factory single-sided exhaust valve, so everyone says, oh, why don't I just do a muffler delete and a downpipe? The problem is the cars are so droney with that setup, it's really obnoxious. Comparatively to other systems on the market, you can buy another exhaust setup, but no other system is going to have the same flexibility, the same quality, the same integration with the exhaust, the same operation of the vacuum exhaust valves, which are far more reliable. Everything has just been designed to work perfectly. In this video, you'll really understand why this setup combined with this downpipe is really something special with this car. These B58s, this car is a Gen 2 B58 and really a potent platform, but with the right exhaust setup, you change the game. It's so badass and hugely flexible. Open it up. All right, we got some buildings around. Here's our first sound test with the windows down.
Got a building?
See if we can get a good crack here. Pretty good.